on.
Good afternoon, Mr. Grigori. How are you?
Good.
Sawadee khab. How are you keeping?
Wonderful. Thank you for asking.
Good to see you again. Welcome to your new lesson on suffixes. Are you ready?
Of course.
Of course. It's not a hard walk today, I apologize. Very easy walk today.
I hope so.
In front of you, you have a pink paper. Can you see some groups of words on your paper?
I see a lot of words.
See a lot of words. What's the first word you see?
Sing.
Sing. Can you read the word next to sing?
Singer.
Singer. And what's the last word?
Singing.
Singing. These are words that come in sets of 3. They have a word that is similar at the beginning. We will practice to find the beginning word. Can you find your favorite word on the page?
Electric.
Electric. But remember, electric comes in a set of
3 words.
We have electric,
Electric.
Electrician.
Electricity.
Electricity. Good boy, well done. Okay, now it's time for you to try to spell these words.
Why did I choose that long word?
Why did you choose the long word? It's a good word. Electric. E.
Electrician, electricity, enough. Electrician, electricity, electrician, electricity.
Oh yeah, it's correct, sorry.
One T each.
One T.
I. Those a lot. Electric. Finish. Electrician. Oh, I'm already tired. Okay.
You picked a long word. Electric.
Electric.
That's, that's complete. Electricity. 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 Okay, can I move this down for us a little bit?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Electrician. A-N.
Electrician, correct.
T-Y.
T-Y, electricity. E-T. Electricity, good job. Okay, you have 3 words on your mat. Can you read the first word for me?
Electric.
Electric.
Oh no.
What letter are we missing?
R.
R. Electric. Good job. What's your word again?
Electric.
Electric. Well done. Can you read this one?
Electrician.
Electrician. Good job. And the last one?
Electricity.
Electricity. In the 3 words that we have, which word looks and sounds the same to you?
3 of them looks and sounds the same.
Look and sound the same? Electric. Electric. Electricity. The root word that we have is the word electric. Can you find the extra letters to the word electric in the word electrician, please?
I-A-N.
I-A-N. Good job. Can you help me change those blue letters I-A-N for the red letters, please? I will take out the I,
Thank you.
A, and the N to help you. Electrician. And can you see which letters are different at the end of electricity?
I-T-Y.
I, T, Y. I, T, Y.
Full house.
Well done. Electricity. Okay, can we put this back? I, A, N, E, T, E. Electricity. Crew Greg. Electric, electrician, electricity. The letters that we add to the end of the word is called a suffix. The suffix will help change the meaning of the word. It will give the word a new meaning.
What does it mean, suffix? It's like when some people get married and they're suffering?
No, that is marriage.
Suffix. Okay.
Suffix.
Suffix, not suffering.
Not suffering.
Okay.
A suffix is the letters that you add to the end of the word. There's no number of letters. You can add one letter sometimes, you can add two letters sometimes, 3, 4. There are many letters we can add to the end of a word. But when we add letters to the end of the word, we will call the letters that we add a suffix.
Suffix.
And what does the suffix do? The suffix will change the meaning of the word. What is electricity?
It is something that we use in our house to play video games on the computer.
Video games, okay, to put the power on, right?
Yeah.
Well, that would be electric. If something is electric, it has the power to be turned on. It is powered by an artificial source, able to be turned on. It's electric. It has power that is derived from another source. Electricity is the act of the power being consumed. And an electrician is the person that works with electricity and things that are electric in nature. So when we have electrician, the suffix IAN changes the word electric to help us know now we are talking about the person who does the work, that is working with things that are electric or working with electricity.
Sounds great.
That is what a suffix does. Do you understand?
Perfectly.
Perfectly. Okay. Your work is not hard. Before we go ahead, we're going to set an example in our work. I've got you a pen, a paper, and an eraser. But there's two pencils. You're lucky today. You get a regular pencil and you get a red pencil.
Did you buy it or office?
One of my kids actually gave us
Such
a
nice
set.
kids.
For our first work, let's write down our first word, electric, with the normal pencil, please.
Capital or small is fine?
A small is fine. On the line, straight.
Yeah.
Electric. All right. Now let's write the next word on our paper next to your word, electric. But this time, when we see the suffix, we will change our pencil and use the red color pencil.
T, ri, s. N, electrician.
Good job.
And last one.
Do you remember the last word?
Electric. City.
E-T, I-T-Y. Good job. Well done. Now you are well aware of what a suffix is and you know what a suffix does. You will have homework today. When you go home, I would like you to get words from your book, find the root word, find the root, add a suffix to it and find the meaning. And if you can, find a third suffix. Sometimes words you only get one suffix for one word. Sometimes you get more than one. You don't always get suffixes that goes in threes. Sometimes you only get suffixes that work in two. Your homework today would be to make a list of 5 different words and